Hi gentlemen, welcome back to Key Automation YouTube channel. Today I continue with part 2 of Flask display the YOLO object detection on web page with a Python and YOLO V8 and Flask. Here I don't use socket IO. I use the post and get methods for displaying the video on web page. And during this video, I also compare the running resources of CPU during operation this kind of methods. Uh, I will explain it later. Okay, here the applications. I will explain this detail. Let me open the resources during running with this kind of post method. So you see the CPUs and GPUs resources is take too much. So it's actually cannot be used in productions. So this is for learning code only. So we can continue with this project and then after finish on this series, I will go to Socket IO and I will show you what the different with Socket IO and web page methods like port and get method. It's too much different with CPU and video stream on web page. So the resources is too much different. So however, let's start. I don't want to wait your time. So let's start the code right now. Let me stop this running code. Okay, let's stop it. Yes. It actually so not too much different with the video before in part 1. However, this part 2, I am using the to display on the video at the same time on the screen of web page. Mm, Remember part 1 I only display this. I also select which video, video 1, 2 or 3 or webcam display on the web page. But this kind of program is displayed on video at the same time on the page. And during that time, I also compare the CPU uses for this kind of methods or projects. Okay, the same with last part. The first time we need to import Flask and render template, and this is for HTML. So all of these 3 lines I will combine is in one line only. So response. So that is make the program is more easy to see better. Okay. Secondly, I import CV to this to capture. Okay, we continue with this. Um, we already finished from the beginning. Import the libraries ultralytic and import YOLO, and I have 2 video link. I use OCV2 video captures, and this is resources of video. If you want to display the cameras from USB camera, you can use webcam or you can use this link. Uh, this is a function for generate this frame from video. So it means that it extracts frame from video, and after that you YOLO to predict the frames, each frames. After that, draw rectangle lines and label on the object detection, and then go to next step is convert like encode image to byte array. It return value is byte array encode image, and this will be sent to client. If video complete, it will delete the videos and then remove the loop, while loop. Yeah, escape while loop. And next, application root index, and it will read index from HTML file. And next thing, video feed uh, will return the respond the generated kef and send to video feed post method. And next second video is go to feed one. I will open template for you to see this index number one. Okay, you have two video feed image and video feed number one. And then when you start video from the server, then when you open the client will update the data from server and feed to image here. I will upload complete so code to you, and then you can read it and understand it later. But I will start it right now. Let's check the CPU resources uses now. 7% of CPU only. I will start the applications and open. Okay, now I open client and refresh and check the video playing on the web page. Beside that, we can compare CPU's resources uses during starting two video. So by using this kind of like video feed by port methods, you can see the resources of CPU is 100% and CPU only 12%. So it look like overload of GPU. I understand why. Even I put, let me see, object detection. Object detection. Let me check what problem. Device 0, it means that we use CUDA already, but I don't know why the resources is too much. Okay, let's watch the video from this application. So when you open the web page, you can see the video is playing on your web page. But the problem is CPU usage is too much. If we run by this kind of solutions, I will stop the video and I will try to place whether I can display 4 video at the same time or not. I open up application number 2 and place. You see the CPU fan is running very much because during CPU uses too much. I start already, so I will start client right now. When client start, you see CPU increase. 4 videos is starting, and CPU fan will start after that. I think it's look like GPU in node is running during this operation. That's why GPU is too much. GPU is also small, but CPU is high. Sit down here and we give you some. Let's sit down here to show you something from my website. Okay, when we play for video at the same time on web page, the CPU uses is it overloads. So I don't want to run this kind of, because I think the GPU is running in very small, but CPU is overloaded. I don't know how to do this. Even during this, let me see. The problem is if I disable object detection from here, then if I disable this, then you can see the resources of CPU reduce. This is an YOLO V8 object detection. I disable this. So and I will start it. After starting, remove YOLO detections. When I remove YOLO, the CPU is still high, 100%. Let me check. So this problem is not from YOLO. Yes. Let me reset this again. Okay. If I remove YOLO detection, CPU usage is still high, 69%, the GPU is 23%. The GPU increase. Ah, so I think because of YOLO, so it increased the speed of CPU. However, during running YOLO, GPU is not in operations. Here, take it for me, please. Okay, so if we remove YOLO detection, I can see that the CPU is reduced, but GPU increase, but it's look good. So it's a very good solution for video playing only. But object detection, if we use by this method, is not good. So I will make one more video to compare. Can you stop the light for me, please? Can you stop the light for me? Stop the light. 46%. Okay, so the video for demonstration of object detection over web page by post methods complete right now. Thank you very much for your watchings. I will make one more video to the the operation of socket IO with Flask and Flask post operation. Thank you very much for your watching. Goodbye.